you guys can see me right now, but it is 3:30 in the afternoon, and I decided that I wanted to get up and do a walk. Okay, guys, I decided that I wanted to smoke and walk the trail. I don't know why, but I feel like it is the only way that I can do it. And yes, no makeup, because the girl is gonna sweat it out. All right, so I finally made it to the place, and I'm just taking some videos of what the place looked like. Now, the place is located in Rosendale. It's very beautiful. It's very earthy. A lot of animals live here. And it's weird because when you go here, there's like a lot of stacked rocks. And I don't know who does it personally. Sometimes I like to go on this walk and recreational smoke. I feel like it's good for nature, Smoking a wood in the woods. But this is a path that I took when I first came in. And I'm just so glad that I decided that, today was a beautiful day. It was in the 60s for me to start walking. And I feel like a lot of the times I take the good days for granted. So I said, why not today that I take this wonderful walk? Use the legs that God gave me. Okay, guys, you're coming up on my favorite part of the trail. So either which path you go, right? Doesn't matter. Left, right? It will lead you back to this path that ends all the way up from where we came from back to the start. So, mysterious pile of trash right, or this somebody's things. Here is part of the golf course that's attached to the walk path. Here's a nice patch of green grass or some plant that started to grow. I just wanted you guys to look at that. And here's me being a creep looking at the people playing golf. I love how the sun is glistening on the water. It just looks so amazing. Another river. And for some reason, some people keep putting orange peels on the tree. If I wasn't by myself, I would choose this path. But I was by myself, so I decided to stay on the original path. I forgot to say that there is a lake attached to this trail, so if you trail off, there is a lake. Okay, so this video might be 5 minutes to y'all, but this walk was honestly about like 40 minutes to an hour. So if you guys wanted to give this walk a try, I'm letting y'all know that this walk is no joke. If you guys stayed for the duration of the video, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you like to try this place next.